So, this is day one of everything. For myself and for others, maybe also, I just wanted to document my story from a not successful trader at 18 years old to a pretty successful trader. And my goal is to make 100K from trading. And I wanted to document it also, for myself to have the old videos. And I will be 100% honest. I will share everything I know about anything, with my trades. Everything will be documented. So I can look back at it and you can also learn, and also you can maybe get away like how you can also improve. So I will more likely like tell my story. So I started trading, like first time I heard of it is like when I was 15 years old. So back then I directly started with ICT from a good friend of mine. He was like way older than me and he taught me that pretty well at the beginning, And I couldn't trade because, I live in like Europe, so the rules here are like pretty strict, so you can't really trade before you're 18. You can do nothing, you can trade with the bank with your own like capital, but that's also like really like not that easy to do that, and you can't even, have your own company and your own business in Germany before you're 18. So now that I've turned 18, I just wanted to document it so you can really see my progress. And, I've made some money from trading. I've taught other people that, and I made like a good amount for my age, and also like from investing my own capital, like gold and shit like that. And now I wanted to take the path of like prop firms with Apex, for example, or with like other prop firms like, like Top Step, but I'm not sure. And I also wanted to trade my own capital, and I will be 100% honest with everything. So I will show you my first trade on my first Apex Funded Challenge, and you will see it then. You can see everything. I don't fucking care. So what I found out is that Apex is a shitty ass platform, so you can't even see your real like trading stuff, right? I can show you that. I hope I don't leak anything. So this is my curve. This like how much I made. So the first day, yeah, I made nothing. Then I took a loss, right? And then I didn't trade, and then I had a pretty good trade. Yeah, so I'm currently like $500 up. So that's pretty good. I have to make 3K. Yeah, I'm working on that. And that was like another day or like another trade of today, which was pretty unfortunate actually. I didn't even make that much money because you can see when we go on the 5-minute chart that it had a lot of potential. I bought like into that, into the dip. On the 1 minute you could see that way better. Yeah, here, and here as well. And it had a lot of potential to go up there. And on ES, actually delivered the exact thing that I thought was going to happen. You can see it right here. So basically, what I did is I picked the wrong pair, right? I thought that Nasdaq was going to be, cleaner because it had like the breaker, right? So you can see right here there was SMT, and I could have thought that Nasdaq was cleaner, and it was, but it wasn't as bullish, and the S&P just kept running. So the whole challenge could be passed at this point, but yeah, I'm just in profit of like $500, which is pretty nice. I'm on the 50k account, so yeah, you can see right here. Yeah, I have to pass that, and you can see it's my first account, right? So everything will be pretty good until like the next trade. So I'm planning to trade tomorrow. Today's a Tuesday, so yeah, this is like my trading until now, and it's just documented for the purposes so you can improve, you know, and yeah. So now that you've seen my trades, it's pretty clear that I trade ICT concepts. I trade like the 2022 model in a sense, but I start trading like at 10 a.m. New York time, so that's what I do. I've been doing that for a long time, and on the demo account, I'm profitable as fuck, you know, but on like my, on my Apex account, we will see. We will see how profitable I am with that. And yeah, so what I also wanted to share is like, I'm thinking about doing my personal funds with like trading. I know I can't make that much money because I don't have like that much of them, but I see that as a like not that like risky, more long-term opportunity to make money, you know, to invest that into like the trading aspect and things like that. So yeah, that's what was like one thing that I'm thinking about, and I'm not sure right now, so we will see how I'm thinking about it. Not on day one of this like challenge that I gave myself to document everything, because I think it's valuable for the future, and I hope you guys will also you know, see this video and document it yourself, and you know, to have like some value from that, because I'm also trying to give some value, and I will see how this channel goes. So yeah, I just wanted to be very consistent and improve myself also in teaching and, you know, talking to the camera and things like that, because in the future I will think that's very important for my job as well, if I'm trying to be a good like businessman or something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it until now. I will do another update when I did my next trading stuff, and maybe I will teach the model or something. Yeah, I just wanted to do it in a way that, you know, maybe I will do like a video in like 2 months. This is how I made 10k as an 18-year-old, you know, and this is like the idea I got behind that, to document it from the beginning, so it's all documented. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.